guys, welcome back to another video. I want to say thank you to everybody who subscribed so far. Welcome to Fanika TV. Don't be afraid to join the family, and if you are watching this video and you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a video. So I want to say happy Sabbath to everybody, or happy Saturday to everybody, if you know. So today I'm going to be cooking something that the world calls it one pot, but which part me born and grow me hear people call it seasoned rice, right? So it's when you mix different type of meat. You can put any amount of meat you want. Today I'm going to be using chicken and liver to make my one pot today. Yes guys, stay tuned. Remember, if you are not subscribed, I'm going to say it again, remember, if you are not subscribed, hey guys, we are set this fire. It is a plastic package. What is watch it? These are here. One of the worst things them when I try to make a video and break a beer, guys. Worst thing. That give me a little difficulty. I don't know. But this morning, that's one of the worst things about outdoor cooking, guys. That we catch fire. That alone. Remember guys to like up the video, share up the video, open your mess. Hey guys, before I get ready, yeah, it's getting ready to catch up some steam. Deep, broad pots. Yeah. Put it on the fire, guys. Put it on the dirt boats. Yeah, guys. So, pat the pan the fire now. We are. So yeah, guys. Now go throw my oil. The color when I get it popping, guys. It's popping. It really I do very with oil hot. I'm gonna make it fry and get it on. You know. want to get it one color, guys. We'll make it fry and get it one color. So we now put no sugar in there to get it down. We just want to get it one color by itself. Right? So let's go. So, yeah, guys, so this is how your meat supposed to look. Fry and brown and dry, right? Yeah, guys, the meat don't cook. I'm going to add coconut milk. So much coconut milk I use, guys. We have a coconut milk in it, and we're gonna make it boil up before we put the rice and so in it. Guys, we're gonna put some cooked pumpkin in a one pot meal as well. That's what they're name again. With vegetable. Alright, too much. Too much. Hey guys, may I add my rice because my coconut milk a boil up. There's too much things in there. Guys, the one pot. It a cook. Why the color is so different now? We may see. Cause the orange, you have a more orange look. I guess the phone is one different color. So yeah, guys, my one pot a cook down. Smells really nice. Yes, guys. So this is the ripe. I don't know why I wanna not get to see it in the real color. When me I see it in a kind orange like the pumpkin. Should we put the pumpkin in there, guys? The orange, and it look nice. It look pretty, but we don't know on the camera why it looks so white. Yeah, guys. So my one pot meal